My dear student, today we are going to learn that is called the spoken English. Spoken English is very easy things if you will know it. If you know another things, punctuation and the pronunciation. Punctuation also play the vital role, or every word where to stress. If we will not stress properly, then we can't place our thought before other. Suppose now I am going to make a single sentence. How this single sentence has been changed the meaning, you will be astonished to see it. आप astonished हो जाइएगा सुन के, taken aback हो जाएगा सुन के. taken aback समझ रही हो? बोल्ड आउट, दैट मीन्स हैरत हो जाएगा देख के. सपोज नाउ आई एम राइटिंग ए सिंगल सेंटेंस. हैट इज दिस, ए woman without her man is a savage. Now it is also a joke or it is a very good sentence. This kinds of the sentence, it's expressed that a woman without her man, एक औरत अपने आदमी के बगैर क्या हो जाएगी, इज ए सवेज, खतरनाक हो जाएगी, जंगली हो जाएगी, वैश्य हो जाएगी, किसी को काट लेगी. ना समझ रहे हैं? तो हम कहें कि यू पंक्चुएट दिस सेंटेंस. ऑल ऑफ यू द गर्ल पंक्चुएट इज लाइक दिस. अब गर्ल उठी कि हाँ हम लोग पंक्चुएट करके दिखाएंगे, सेंटेंस का मीनिंग चेंज करेंगे. तुम कहे ए वोमेन विदाउट हर मैन, ए वोमेन विदाउट हर मैन इज ए सवेज. ठीक है, एक पंक्चुएट की फुल स्टॉप था, नहीं फुल स्टॉप दे दी. इट इज़ द, यानी कि एक औरत अपने आदमी के बगैर क्या है, बट नाउ यू आर द गर्ल. तुम कहीं नो, ऐसा हो नहीं सकता, आदमी खतरनाक है, मैन इज अ सवेज. वी आर नॉट सवेज, हम लोग सवेज नहीं हैं, मैन सवेज है. अब मैन को सवेज दिखा देगी. तुम आई विल पंक्चुएट इट, मैं इसको पंक्चुएट करूँगा. सर आप गलत कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज यू आर ए मैन, ओनली फॉर दिस यू आर पंक्चुएट लाइक दिस. आप मैन है इस तरह पंक्चुएट. नाउ तुम पंक्चुएट की ए ओ मैन सेमीकोलन, पहला पंक्चुएट किया. विदाउट हर तुम यहां पंक्चुएट की. विदाउट हर मैन इज ए सवेज, मैन इज ए सवेज. फॉर द मीनिंग इज दिस, अ वोमन विदाउट हर, उसके बगैर, इस औरत के बगैर, मैन इज ए सवेज, आदमी जंगली है. Is it changed? Now only one sentence, if we punctuate it correctly, the meaning is different. Do you say something? कुछ कहना चाहती? Do you? If you like to take, नहीं हो रहा है मीनिंग तुमसे, इसको पूरा अलग रख दिए. ए भी पंक्चुएशन मार्क यहाँ पर. A woman without her, इसके बगैर, a man is a savage. Man is a savage. This is the best sentence and punctuated in a great university. एक यूनिवर्सिटी में punctuate हुआ था. Now again we are going to the main part. हम लोग उस main part पर जा रहे हैं. That is called the first present indefinite. Now all the students one by one will come and they will say what is written here and how to be pronounced the word. Now I already taught you, I, we, you, they, boys will take verb 1. I go to market, he goes to market. Last class whenever I was here, I was taking present indefinite. Here is this, suppose I play cricket in the field. We play football in the field. Okay, I'm grounding in the field. Now he eats. अगर यहाँ रहते ही ईट्स मैंगो, ही ईट्स मैंगो, ही ईट्स राइस, ही ईट्स एनीथिंग व्हाट ही वुड लाइक टू. हियर इज इट. शी goes to school, she goes to school, she goes to market, she goes to market, she goes to church, she goes to church. Okay, goes to church. Here is this, here is the I, we, you, they, boys, plural, all are taking these kinds of the sentence that verb always be one, it will not be take s or es. Suppose I play cricket, again here I do not play cricket, I do not play cricket. Now here is this, the first sentence. Whenever you come over here, I will say you will say I play cricket in the field. Again I say you can make it in negative. Again I will say you some sentence in Hindi, then you will make in the positive, affirmative, again you will turn into negative. Okay, thanks. You come here, you come here. Yo, first sentence,
I play cricket in the field. I play cricket in the field.
Negative,
I do not play cricket in the field.
we
play football in the field.
negative,
We do not play football in the field.
interrogative,
Do we play football in the field?
do we play football in the field? Very good. Here is the he
eats mango. He doesn't eat mango.
Negative.
He doesn't eat mango.
he does
Does not.
does he not. Interrogative.
Interrogative. Does he not eat mango?
Now again I will say you Hindi. Suppose you look at there. Now मैं पढ़ाता हूँ,
I teach.
मैं नहीं पढ़ाता हूँ.
I do not teach.
क्या मैं पढ़ाता हूँ?
Do I teach?
मैं अंग्रेजी पढ़ाता हूँ.
I teach English.
मैं अंग्रेजी नहीं पढ़ाता हूँ.
I do not teach English.
वो नहीं सुनती है.
She doesn't listen.
क्या वो सुनती है?
Does she listen?
मैं पढ़ती हूँ.
I read.
मैं नहीं पढ़ती हूँ.
I do not read.
क्या मैं पढ़ती हूँ?
Do I read?
सीता खेलती है.
Sita plays.
सीता नहीं खेलती है.
Sorry, Sita plays.
Plays.
Sita does not play.
सीता फील्ड में नहीं खेलती है.
Sita does not play in the field.
सीता फील्ड में अपने भाई के साथ नहीं खेलती है.
Sita does not play in the field with her brother.
With her brother. Now she has already told every sentence correctly. Now this girl already has read it. उसने पढ़ी थी. All of you listen to it. सुनी? आप पढ़ी है? Have you read it? आस्ते वाली. You have read it. पढ़ी थी sentence को. Now you sit down. It's a very good. This girl, okay. The girl already has done well. You come here. You. I will say you more sentence. A very simple sentence. What is this? I sentence.
I play cricket in the field.
Directly it said all the students. I play cricket.
I play cricket in the field.
मैं क्रिकेट नहीं खेलता हूँ.
I doesn't play cricket in the field.
I don't play cricket in the field. I don't because does not is only used for singular. Third person singular. Third person के साथ में क्या लगेगा? Does not singular के साथ में. वो नहीं खेलता है तब लगेगा. वो नहीं खेलता है. He does not. Now this boy already has done wrong only for this. His mind is not working over there how to catch it. Remember one thing, whenever you are going to speak at the time, you will be very smart. Your mind will attack the other. The person who is standing before you, he will be ashamed. वो शर्मा जाएगा तुमको देख के. Here is this. I, we, you, they, boys. Only take verb one. Here is the he, she, Ram, boy. It is take verb 1, s or es. Easy. Okay? Now, हम लोग देखते हैं we
We
watch. हम लोग फिल्म देखते हैं.
watch film.
हम लोग फिल्म घर में देखते हैं.
We watch film at home.
At home. हम फिल्म नहीं देखते हैं. We do not
Watch film at home.
we
We do not watch film.
watch film at home. क्या हम देखते हैं?
No, I watch film at home.
At home. Very good. He also give the good reply after a few minutes. Now, do you understand? I say, do you understand? तुम समझते हो? Like this. This is the first. It should be set in your mind. ये mind के अंदर में set होना चाहिए. Okay, sit down. Now, again, you come here. You. मैं खाती हूँ. मैं खाती हूँ.
I am.
No, no, verb 1 only. I, verb 1. I eat. I eat only, verb 1. I eat. मैं अचार खाती हूँ. I eat pickle. हाँ, मैंगो पिकल खाती है. अच्छा, हम अचार खरीद कर तुमको उसको सी लाइक. ओके, सी लाइक्स टू ईट. सी लाइक्स टू ईट. सी लाइक्स टू ईट. टू ईट मैंगो पिकल. मैं नहीं खाती हूँ. आई डोंट लाइक टू ईट पिकल. ओके, अब तो दो पिकल खाती हूँ. मैं पढ़ती हूँ. मैं पढ़ती हूँ.
I study.
हाँ, मैं नहीं पढ़ती हूँ.
I
I don't.
I does not study.
Does not. It is the I we you. It is the do not. It is the do not. It is the does not. It is the does not. Okay, sit down. Now, one by one. Who's the Bengali medium? Only hands up. Bengali medium. Here is the Bengali medium. Only you. You understand Hindi also? Whenever I will tell Hindi, you understand it. Okay. Now, first sentence. You sit down. You. मैं जाती हूँ.
I do not.
मैं जाती हूँ.
I go.
मैं नहीं जाती हूँ.
I don't go.
क्या मैं जाती हूँ?
Do I go?
वो जाता है.
They go.
वो he.
He go.
He goes.
He goes.
Why it is he goes? Because it is the singular. It was singular. Third person singular. वो नहीं जाता है.
He does not go.
क्या वो जाता है?
Does he go?
तुम खाते हो.
You eat.
तुम नहीं खाते हो.
You do not eat.
तुम अचार खाते हो.
You eat pickle.
क्या तुम अचार खाते हो?
Do you eat pickle?
Very good. Very good. Very good. The girl already has makes good way and express. This girl also, she's advanced English knowing girl. In spite of this, she is placing words. Under the words is essential, and the sentence construction is highly essential for you. But you, my dear, you don't at all understand it. The subject plus verb 1 plus object. You, तुम पढ़ते हो.
We play. Sorry.
You say you.
तुम पढ़ते हो. We.
तुम you.
You study.
तुम नहीं पढ़ते हो.
You does not.
You
don't study.
Okay. You don't study. क्या तुम पढ़ते हो?
Do you study?
मैं बोलती हूँ.
I
वो बोलती है. She
She speaks.
speaks.
She
और मैं अंग्रेजी बोलती हूँ.
You. I speak.
I speak क्या? English.
I speak English.
You तुम पढ़ाते हो. You
You read.
you teach.
You teach.
तुम नहीं पढ़ाते हो.
You
हाँ ये
teach.
don't teach.
Don't.
क्या तुम पढ़ाते हो?
You do not teach.
You नहीं क्या do पहले आ जाएगा. Again you should use the do first. First में do इस्तेमाल करो. Do you teach. फिर क्या पढ़ाते हो? इंग्लिश जब भी ले आओ. Anything you can bring it. Okay, easy. Now सोचने का इंग्लिश जानते हो? Think. হ্যাঁ तुम सोचती हो বাংলায় বলবো तुम सोचती हो you
You
think
think.
तुम नहीं सोचते हो
I do not
Eh?
think.
you
You do not think.
you do not
Think.
think क्या तुम सोचते हो
Do
do you
not
do you think
Think.
okay thanks a lot that in this class you already has makeup my dear I do not ask you the questions again you prepare I will give you some sentence now